Welcome back to the Lynn Motorcycle YouTube channel. I'm Mike from Guildford Custom, based here at the world famous Guildford Harley-Davidson. It's custom bike walk around time again, folks. And today we have this beautiful Pan America S. Now, it's been 120 years of the greatest motorcycle company on earth. And to celebrate, Harley-Davidson decided to throw a couple of parties. Not only that, they set up a little competition for us. So everybody in the dealer network had the opportunity to build a custom Pan America. This is ours, this is Elmo, named after our fantastic parts manager Darren, built by Darren and Simon, one of our very experienced technicians here at Guildford Harley-Davidson. Let's talk about the inspiration for this motorcycle. It's kind of a Husqvarna style colourway, Supermoto meets Dakar, traily, stripped down, you know, kind of all-rounder. And I think we've really nailed the brief on this one. Simon and Darren put a lot of time and effort into this, especially Darren sourcing all these fantastic parts and nurturing all the great relationships we have with a lot of our suppliers and partners. So one of those relationships we were talking about that we've been nurturing is with our good friends at R&G in Alton. Now, R&G took a Pan America away and developed a load of really, really cool parts for it, which were made bespoke for this motorcycle. Now, some of these parts are available to buy on their website now, but for this particular build, these were the first and only products made. So to start with, we had these amazing crash bungs, axle guards, and carbon fiber brake guards as well, dust shields, and these really trick carbon fiber handguards on the end of the bars. Definitely a lot less bulky than the original guards that come with the Pan America S. Going with the theme of stripping the bike back, we've also stripped down the front end. So you have no more brush guards and no more big radiator cover. We swapped those out for the ones off the Sportster S. Bits of carbon fiber in the front and this amazing little smoked Harley-Davidson screen covering up the original dash, which is superb. I don't need to talk about the tech in this bike, to be honest. If you scroll back through the channel, you'll find a little tech talk on the Pan America on one of the customs we did a little while back. What else can we talk about? We have this amazing pie cut exhaust done by my very good friend Wade Polson, thank you for that, leading us up into this high level Scorpion exhaust system. Sounds absolutely superb. Tidying up the back end of the Pan America, we removed all the plastics, cut that right down. Just, you know, again, just trying to slim everything down on the back of this bike. R&G tail tidy, this is available to buy, really, really nice piece. And we added in these amazing Kellerman rhombus stop tail turn indicators, just to tidy the back end up, give you somewhere to store your bits and pieces. One of these Harley-Davidson handlebar riser storage bags. This seat, as you can see, again, slimmed down. Really, really nice, fits everything, you know, fits in really nice to the aesthetic. Done by our good friends at D-Class Automotive. Got half Napa leather, Alcantara, flow yellow stitch. Would you believe they turned that whole thing around in 24 hours for me? Amazing. So, carbon fiber dash panel, celebrating some of our partners here, which is superb. And as you can see, flow yellow, Guildford Custom logo. Go big or go home. And just to go for that Supermoto handling, Darren and the boys swapped out the tyres from the original Pan America for these amazing Pirellis. Super sticky. Let's go find out how sticky they are. I knew by looking at this thing it was going to be amazing to ride. And I mean, one thing that really stands out for me is this amazing paintwork by our good friends at Image Design Custom. Thank you so much, guys. You guys are absolute wizards, nail it every time for us. Now, listen, if you're looking for a Pan America, you want something custom, or you're just looking for a new Revolution Max bike, get in touch with Guildford Harley-Davidson. We've got your back. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next custom bike walk around.